What's going on, guys? My name is Edwin and I'm bringing you a new style of video today of me basically working on a brand new car, brand new Acura MDX. So basically this car came in with no AC complaints. I looked at it and there was a hole inside of the AC condenser letting all the refrigerant out. So we had to replace the condenser. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you guys can do me a favor and leave a like, or if you guys want to see more videos like this, or you want to get more specific, just leave a comment down below. Thanks in advance. Yeah, so right here I'm inspecting the AC condenser for any manufacturer defects or shipping damage. As you can see, there's a long gray streak going across the condenser, but I didn't see anything wrong with the vanes. There's two streaks actually, and there's nothing wrong with the vanes themselves, so yeah, decided, gonna put it in anyways. So yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Again, if you could let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see in the future, or if you guys have any ideas, or when you break some stuff, feel free to let me know down in the comment section below. Again, thank you very much.